Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Now let's tap on see all 53 apps, of course 53 in my case, and tap on the three dots icon. Tap on Reset App Preferences, as it is the option we are looking for, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.